AI-enhanced B2B cold email. Strategies, templates, subject lines, full guide, AnyBiz. Mastering cold emails for B2B outreach just got easier with AI. This guide shows you how to use AI to create compelling subject lines, effective templates, and strategies that work. Perfect for anyone looking to improve their email game. B2B cold emailing is about building relationships and uncovering potential business opportunities. It boosts brand exposure, aids market research, and when done right, feels like the start of a meaningful conversation rather than a sales pitch. B2B cold emailing challenges include reaching decision makers, avoiding spam filters, standing out, complying with regulations, delivering value, timing outreach, building credibility, and tailoring messages to different industries. Effective B2B cold emailing requires research, personalization, clear messaging, and strategic timing. Use AI to balance efficiency with customization, create compelling subject lines, and follow up thoughtfully. Focus on starting conversations, provide an opt-out option, and continuously refine your approach based on performance data. AI is transforming B2B cold emailing by enabling personalized, data-driven strategies that boost response rates and engagement. With AI, emails are tailored, content is optimized, and timing is precise, making cold emails more effective and impactful. Effective B2B cold email templates feature compelling subject lines, personalized content, and clear calls to action. Industry-specific and AI-generated templates, combined with A/B testing, can significantly boost open and response rates. Subject lines are key for B2B cold emails, impacting open rates, brand perception, and spam filter success. They often determine whether an email gets opened. Effective subject lines are short, 6-10 words, personalized, and use questions, numbers, or urgency. These strategies boost open rates significantly. AI tools enhance subject lines by predicting performance, personalizing at scale, automating A/B testing, and optimizing language for better engagement. In our blog, we share tips and examples for creating great subject lines. Check out the list of examples by following the link below the video. Timing is crucial for B2B cold emails. Research shows Tuesday to Thursday and times like 10, 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. are often best. Use AI tools like AnyBiz to find the optimal times for your specific audience. AI enhances send time optimization by profiling recipients, predicting optimal send times, adjusting in real time, and integrating A/B testing. Tools like AnyBiz can boost open rates by 35% and response rates by 28%. Follow-ups are key in B2B cold emailing. You often need several touches to get a response, as decision makers are busy. Persistence shows commitment and helps keep your brand in their mind. AI tools like AnyBiz can improve follow-up timing and boost response rates by up to 30%. AnyBiz revolutionizes B2B cold email campaigns with AI-driven automation. It replaces SDRs with virtual agents that handle personalized outreach, multi-channel engagement, and automated scheduling. The platform also warms up email domains and boosts brand awareness, ensuring effective and continuous communication with prospects. AnyBiz integrates with CRM systems, Calendly, and your website for streamlined scheduling and targeted outreach, all while providing key metrics on an analytics dashboard. Boost your B2B cold email efficiency with AnyBiz. Thanks for joining us. Explore anybiz.io and make sure to like and subscribe for the latest updates and tips on optimizing your email outreach.